Hello class, today you are working on Excelit Activity 5, Class Roster. And in this activity, your new skills are learning to format cells to text and sorting data in ascending order A to Z, meaning you're putting it in alphabetical order. So the two new skills, the steps for the new skills that I'm going to go over with you right now are steps 5 and steps 10. Now remember that you are responsible for the other steps that are not being gone over. You still have to do those, but we have learned how to do those in other activities. So you will definitely need to go back and do those. So number 5 says, select cells B12 through D35 and format cells to text. B12 through D35 is going to be this range of cells right here. And to format to text, you're going to right-click and choose Format Cells. Now, what does this mean? We are basically telling Excel, when we are formatting cells, we are telling Excel what kind of information or what kind of data is going to be in those cells. Now, later on, we're going to deal with formulas, so this is really important for how these formulas calculate and how they display. So we're going to choose text. Text means words on a page. So all you have to do from here, from the number category, from this number tab category, is choose text. And if you see that, you'll see text format cells are treated as text even when a number is in the cell. The cell is displayed exactly as entered. So click text and then click OK. You're not going to notice any changes, but if you were to perform a calculation, these are viewed as text. It's not viewed as something that's going to be part of a calculable equation. Then step number 10, to alphabetize students by their last names, selects B12 through E35 and sort in ascending order A through Z. Use the column labeled last to sort by. So we're going to start with B12 through E35. And then right up here, we are going to come over to the editing section. This is the editing group of the Home tab. Choose Sort and Filter, and then sort A to Z. You can see that when you do that, it automatically chose the column of the last name. So you start with David Archer, and you end with Lisa Zimmer. All right, that is how you do the two new skills. Remember that you are responsible for the other skills that we have went over in previous activities, but I am not showing you that in this video. Good luck!